Welcome back, beauties. The water left over from washing rice has incredible benefits for your skin and hair. In this video, we'll explore why rice water is a game changer and how you can incorporate it into your beauty routine. So let's get started. Rice water is the starchy liquid that remains after washing or soaking rice. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that work wonders for your skin and hair. Many cultures have long recognized the benefits of rice water and have incorporated it into their beauty rituals. Let's begin with the skin. Rice water offers a multitude of benefits, starting with its ability to soothe and hydrate. It contains amino acids that help maintain the skin's moisture barrier, keeping it soft and supple. It's also known to have a calming effect on irritated skin, making it ideal for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. But that's not all. Rice water also possesses skin brightening properties. It contains a natural compound called inositol, which helps reduce the appearance of dark spots and evens out skin tone. Regular use of rice water can give you a radiant and glowing complexion. Now let's move on to hair care. Rice water has been used for centuries as a hair treatment, and for good reason. It's rich in vitamins B, C, and E, which promote hair growth and strengthen the hair follicles. It can also improve hair elasticity, making it less prone to breakage and split ends. Rice water can be used as a final hair rinse after shampooing or as a leave-in treatment. It helps to condition and detangle the hair, leaving it soft, shiny, and more manageable. Some people even claim that regular use of rice water can stimulate hair growth and improve scalp health. Now that you know the amazing benefits of rice water, let's talk about how to incorporate it into your beauty routine. One popular method is to simply collect the water while rinsing raw rice and store it in a clean bottle or container. You can use this rice water as a toner by applying it to your face with a cotton pad. For your hair, you can either use it as a final rinse or create your own DIY hair masks. Here's a quick DIY recipe to get you started. Mix half a cup of rice water with a tablespoon of honey and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Apply this mixture to your hair, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, and then rinse thoroughly. Your hair will thank you. Give it a try. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks.